Hello everyone! So today is a very exciting day, especially for all of our members of the Destiny Jackson hair community. This is actually the first hair tutorial that I have for you. If you want to know how to receive, how to get, okay, how to create naturally curly curls, curly cues, bouncy curls, flowy curls, then continue to watch the rest of this video so that you can see how I achieve this look. This was amazing recording this for you. As you can see, well, you will see that it didn't take too long. I sped the video up for you. And don't mind the cord that's attached to the curling wand. I know when I watched the video, I was like, man, why did that have to be in there? But don't worry about it. Just stay tuned. Watch it from beginning to end so that you can see the finished product and how I created it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want to know how to grow your God-given hair, we'll move that over, back like that. You see, it's so flowy, you can just move it over, see? If you want to know how to grow and how to keep and how to maintain your God-given hair, then I have a hair book manual just for you. It's down here in the link below. So many are already loving it. I know that you will love it. So stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. So let's begin. I already have my left side curled. It's time to just section off about 1-inch sections, maybe a little smaller than that. It all depends on the width that you prefer your curls. I like mine a little full and big, not too small, because I don't want to have little tiny curly cues all over the place. So just continue sectioning each piece. You may even find that you have to redo some of the sections. I know I did. It's just curl life. It is just curl life. That's just what you have to do sometimes. So just keep on sectioning and curling. And then also, it's quite helpful if you cup your curls in your hand after the wand finishes basically doing its job. Put it that way. And I am wrapping the hair around the wand away from my face rather than towards my face. So just keep on doing that. Yep, see, that's a redo. Yep, cup it in the hand. It's pretty self-explanatory. It doesn't take too long. This only took me 19 minutes. And keep going, keep going, keep going. Ooh. I just had to check the camera there to make sure the camera was still on and rolling. So we are almost done the front section. Okay, yep, curl those tips there. Okay, touch-ups on the left side because I curled the left side a little earlier. And now it's, you know what it's time for? It is actually time for, it's time for a Snapchat break. If you haven't already, follow me on Snapchat at God Bless Destiny. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Who doesn't love a Snapchat intermission? So now we are teasing our hair naturally. I'm just using fingers in the palm of my hand, no combs, no brushes, ouch. None of that. Just had to make sure that the wand was turned off there for a minute. So, okay, yeah. Left side, now the back. Teasing out the back, okay. And just keep playing with it until you actually have your desired look. I personally love the fact that curls will eventually fall throughout the day. Okay, left side. Comment down below which part you prefer. Either left part, middle part, or right side part. So right now it is to the right. And keep on teasing naturally. Just keep on doing that. Okay, now middle part and left part. Mm-hmm. See, that was so quick, wasn't it? And back to the right side. Sometimes a girl is just indecisive, you know, especially when it comes to hair and curls. Just so many great options. What can we do? Nothing but just love our God-given hair even more, right? And appreciate the flexibility. All right, that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe. There we go. You look good, girl.